Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a video on the new Morphe 24G palette. I have to say that I am sorry that I haven't done any videos for 3 weeks now. New Year was hectic and then it was my birthday, so everything has been slightly crazy, but I am back with the videos today. So if you want to see how I completed this look, then keep on watching. I'm also going to show you the palette itself. So this is the new Morphe 24G palette, G standing for Grand Glam. This palette is slightly different to the rest of the palettes. What they've done is they've made the eyeshadow pans bigger. So in this palette there's 24 colours, but the pans are bigger than what they usually are. In the Dare to Create palette, it had the row of the big palettes for the transitional shades, but what they've done is they've made all the eyeshadows big, so I'll show you the shadows here. And again with this palette, another thing that Morphe have done is they have continued their naming the shadows, which in previous videos I've said I like that because I feel like it does give a personal touch to the palette. So you can see all the name tags for each shadow there, it's got the little label. So if you want to see how I completed this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've just done my brows and prepped my eyes. I'm just going to come a bit closer so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first colour that I'm going to go in with is called Frenchy, and that is this colour here. I'm just going to go in with this colour as a transitional colour. So I've just went in with my transitional shade there. I'm now going to go in with my next shade. I'm going to go in with the colour Brassy, which is this one here. And I'm just going to add this colour slightly underneath the first colour so that you guys can see the stages. Now with this I am just adding some depth into my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the shade Brew, which is this one here. Again, I'm just going to create more definition in my crease. This is how my eyes are looking so far. I'm going to go in with a shimmer shade as well in the middle just to create a spotlight eye. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the colour Dream, which is, and I'm just going to do it in the middle of my eye. I'm going to start off and I'm just going to go in doing it with my finger just to see how it goes on. I'm going to try it dry, and then if not, then I might have to wet it slightly so then if it doesn't apply properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. That applies really nicely actually. I've hardly put any on there, and you can see how pigmented that is already, and that's it dry, so I haven't put any spray on it or anything at all to help it go on. So that's me done my eyes. I'm going to go away now, finish my face, and then come back with my final thoughts on this palette. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the final look. I do hope you guys like the completed look. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the palette. So the Morphe 24G palette, I have to say I do love it. Like I've said in previous videos, Morphe palettes, I absolutely love Morphe palettes. The shadows are always so pigmented, they're so blendable, they're so nice. I just think the way that with Morphe itself, it is such a popular brand. I haven't had anything that I haven't liked yet, so I'm very happy with this palette. I'm glad I got it, and I'm glad I got to show a video for you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed it as well. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you for another video.